Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Grey Wolf 26 MBRR. Before we get started, this camper comes in at 33 feet 6 inches tongue to bumper and weighs right at 5,800 pounds empty. Up front here we have your power tongue jack with the LED light so you can see at nighttime if you're hooking up. Two 20-pound LP tank bottles that will be filled by the Outpost RV. They have this hard shell cover with the quick access lid as well. Directly behind that, we have two rails. That is where you can place your battery. We have the curved radius front end here. Over here on the side, magnetic door catch for the storage up front here. You can see they have the LED light built in up front of the storage. Electric jacks on the camper. How this will work, there's going to be a switch underneath. One leg will come down and hit the ground first. The other one will come down and then they will equal out in pressure. And those are to stabilize the camper for you. We have this front entrance door going directly into the bedroom. It's got the black tempered glass on the exterior here and a full-size screen door inside. 15-foot power awning with the blue LED accent light. Each arm is adjustable. That way if the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of the awning. Right down below me here, we have this holographic light. It is actually the wolf head emblem, the same as what's on the front of the camper there. So at nighttime, that will really pop, illuminate, and set you apart from everybody else there. Outside kitchen, we have your refrigerator, ice maker, water source, and your griddle. There's an LP quick disconnect underneath, so you can tap your grill into that and use the gas on the camper here. We have your outside entertainment center with your TV connections, outside speakers that light up blue, and your TV bracket here. It's the same TV bracket that's on the inside. You simply bring your TV out here, slide it in, and you're good to go. We have the adventure package on this camper, giving it a 2-inch lift, the diamond plate metal along the bottom, and these off-road tires here. The center cap is popped off. They are all quick, easy lube axles. Each wheel is going to have self-adjusting brakes and a tire pressure monitoring system. How this will work, the side of this will turn red if you're low on air. So we will unscrew that to demonstrate. That way you can just walk around and do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. With the main entrance door here, you get the sturdy steps going in where each leg is adjustable. You get the oversized grab handle. Again, with the tempered glass door, both doors are going to have a window built into it and a full-size screen door here. This is a toy hauler, so we do have a ventilation system here. There will also be one on the other side for cross ventilation while traveling. We have your leash latch for your furry family members to tag along. In the back here, we have the patio system all set up for you to see. As you can see, it just opens up the entire camper, lets in a lot of fresh air, a lot of extra sunlight. We have the LED light up top and the backup camera that comes with it as well. Over here at the very top, there is going to be a ladder prep. So you can buy a telescoping ladder, hook it in there so you can get up there for roof maintenance purposes. And then actually down below, we're going to have a sewer hose holder. So that way you can store your sewer hose when you are not using it. Up top again, we do have another vent over here for that cross ventilation. This is a 30 amp unit and it will come with a 25-foot detachable power cord. We have your furnace vent right there. Outside shower with hot and cold water. This is a low pressure spray port. We have your black tank flush to the left of it. So when you're done camping for the week or weekend, you hook your water up right there and that'll blast out the black tank for you. And then underneath we have your water connections. We have your fresh water on the left. So if you're dry camping or boondocking, you can use your water hose, fill up the fresh water tank, turn on your water pump and use that water. Or if you're at a campground, you just hook your water hose up to the city water and that'll pressurize the lines for you. We have this LED light right here by your connections and your dump station so you can see what's going on if it's nighttime. Cable connection, if the campground offers that, you can tap into that as well. And last but not least, we have your on-demand water heater. It is on-demand, so it's gas only, about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past, and you're only running gas when you're running hot water. And that'll conclude the outside walkthrough of our Grey Wolf 26 MBRR, and now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, you'll notice we have another Grey Wolf light shining down here. Just another great accent piece that Grey Wolf does. Get a nice overview of the kitchen here. Got your refrigerator, pantry area in the back, fireplace, and we have these huge windows in here as well. These picture windows really open up the camper. We'll get started right back here, kind of by the main entrance door. We have your main control panel where you can see how full and empty your tanks are. Turn on your water pump, your lights, run your awning in and out. There's also 12-volt heating pads on your tanks underneath, on all of your holding tanks. So that will allow you to do some cold weather camping there. Over here with the entertainment center, we have your TV connections up top, TV bracket on the wall. We do have the shiplap wall here, gives it a nice decorative look. Your stereo, which is AM, FM, and Bluetooth compatible. Fireplace down below here, which can be on just for looks, or it is like an electric fireplace, like a space heater, so you can turn it on and get heat that way as well. Digital thermostat, that'll control your air conditioner and your furnace for you. And again, over here, we have your kitchen storage. You got the shelves up here and shelves down below as well. So great storage over here. We'll go ahead and take a look at the kitchen while we're out here as well. Up top, we have your cabinets up there, lots of storage up top. Couple 110 outlets right beside the window there. Also, it is a full-size window, taking up the entire length of the kitchen area here. High-rise faucet with the pull-out sprayer. We have the soap dispenser built in. We have your farmhouse-style kitchen sink there. Storage down below, and down here in the bottom left is actually going to be a trash can that they have built in with it. If you do not need the trash can, you can take that out and just use that as another storage drawer. We have your furnace down below, and also your microwave, which is a convection microwave, and also an air fryer. 3-burner stovetop with the cover, so you can use that as prep space if you're not cooking. We have your fridge and freezer here. This is a 12-volt refrigerator. We have 100 watts of solar already mounted on the roof, so you can run this while traveling down the road. As you can see, it is much deeper than what the gas electrics used to be. Lots of room in there. Down below, we have your breakers and fuses on the left-hand side. The red key is a 12-volt cutoff switch to kill all 12-volt power to your battery if it's in storage. We have a voltmeter to the right and your CO2 detector. Now we will move inside and take a look at the bathroom and bedroom area. As we move inside to the bathroom, you'll notice up top, we do have a large vent fan. That will act as an exhaust fan for you. Has multiple speeds there. Above the shower, we have your skylight. It is a corner shower, giving you more space in there. And then we are also going to have more storage for your linens over here to the right. So lots of great storage there. As we swing around to the other side, you'll notice that we have the toilet down below. More open storage right behind that. And you also have more closed storage as well. Open this up and take a look here. Got shelves inside. Nice storage there. We have your medicine cabinet. It is a corner medicine cabinet, giving you more room as well. Really large sink in the bathroom. And of course, more storage down below here. One thing I wanted to point out, we do have your thermostat for the on-demand water heater in here. It's going to be directly over here beside the cabinet. So this is where you can turn your water heater on and off and adjust the temperature of it. As we move into the bedroom area, we're going to have your queen mattress. The comforter and pillows are included with it as well. Hanging storage on both sides and cabinets up above. And those cabinets up above have doors on them, so you can utilize that as storage even when traveling. Here we have that entry door. We have a 110 outlet over here that has a built-in inverter. So even when you're traveling, you can use that 110 outlet. It will be hot for you as long as you have battery power. And there's also a couple USB chargers down below if you do not need the 110 source at that time. Great lights in here, nice and bright. Over here on this side of the bed, we have a 110 outlet, a USB and USB charge port, And also down below there is another spot where you can buy a portable speaker and dock it right there and keep it charged up. Window over here. And we also have another place where you can add a TV in the bedroom. We have the connections up top and the bracket right on the wall. We will go through the bathroom area here. Take a look at the very back of the camper. We have your booth dinette back here with seating on both sides. This can also turn into another sleeping area. The table will lay flat and the cushions can all fold together. Over here on the right-hand side, we're going to have storage up above. We do have the screen wall that is rolled up for the patio system here. You'll see that with our pictures online, but you can unroll that to help keep the air inside and keep the bugs out. And there's a nice look at the patio system. Again, really just opens everything up here. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the 26 MBRR. I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.